So we're talking about a huge weekend, special vehicles, special inventory, and special financing. It's all going down at the same place at the same time, and the only thing that we're missing out on is you. So we're going to tell you why these vehicles are probably going to be in your lot real soon, because they're just great. They're just great and great prices, right, Wade?
That's right. We have the top brands at special pricing, and we're excited to share that with people because we have a big weekend coming up. That's Memorial Day weekend,
Yes.
and if you get down here, we can help you out with the special pricings on the Kodiak, the Aspen Trail, and the Catalina, which is the top brand when you're talking about travel trailers.
Yes.
And we just want people to get out there and enjoy RV camping by Memorial Day weekend and make those memories with your friends and family.
I like how you said it, enjoy it by Memorial Day weekend.
Yes.
You can enjoy the RV if you get it on Memorial Day weekend. So get it now so you can have everything ready. It's all packed up and you're ready to hit the road. You got your planning done and you're in on some of these top brands. So let's start with the Kodiak right here, man. This looks phenomenal.
Yeah, that's right. So this is 22 foot long. It is the Kodiak 22 SBH. That means you have bunk beds in there. And so it's lightweight, that a half-ton towable vehicle could tow this travel trailer. And so, you have rooms for the kiddos, mom and dad, maybe one or two kids. Perfect RV, perfect floor plan for them. And if you notice out here, we have a refrigerator. So if you're out there enjoying those nice summer days and you need something to quench your thirst, you got a refrigerator. The kids will not trek in and out. I would always get in trouble. Wade, in or out? In or out?
Right?
Yeah.
You're letting flies in. That's what they say.
Yeah.
Right? And then we also got this Catalina Legacy Edition.
Oh yeah, so you're going to make a lot of memories in this. A little bit longer, a little bit bigger, and this one has a full outdoor kitchen. You have a grill, you have a sink, you have a big refrigerator, and then on the inside, this one actually has a bunk room. So it's like a room that's separated from the living
doors
room.
closed.
Doors
A little bit of
closed.
privacy if you need it.
Kids, shut the door. Lights out. I don't
Right.
want to hear a peep.
We know how I can get.
Yeah. So hey,
good.
you're a new father, just like I have my son. You can put the crib back there, and you shut the door, and they can sleep in peace.
Perfect.
Always thinking about those things,
No,
man.
yes, I am now for sure.
Yeah.
And to think, you're saying this one is a little larger, so a little more space and opportunity to kind of be spread out a little bit sometimes.
Yeah, that's right. So you're going to need a little bit bigger of a vehicle to tow this. It's about 35 foot long, so a little bit heavier. But man, perfect RV. Catalina has a really good reputation in the RV industry.
Yeah, and
and that
since-
brings us to the Aspen
I
Trail.
was going
right?
to say, we're talking about top brands. We also got this Aspen Trail, which is another great one.
Partial to my heart is the Aspen Trail, because this is the very first brand that I got my fame for dancing on top of the RV. We had a lot promotion, and I'm like, how can we get everybody's attention? And Willie D was like, dude, get up there and dance, and let's just pull you around the lot and just have fun with it. Well, people loved it. People liked it. They came out, and we're the #1 Aspen Trail dealer in Oklahoma.
Yes.
And I love this because, again, it's shorter. It's only 25 foot long. It's lightweight, half-ton towable, and you have bunk beds in the back for the kiddos.
Goodness gracious. So, okay, if we want to get in on these special vehicles for some special prices, can we take advantage of the special financing?
100%. We work with the local credit unions and the local banks to make sure that we get the best possible financing. And you only have to have decent credit. We work with anybody. We don't shotgun your credit or any of that.
Yeah.
So if you have some questions, I highly suggest calling us.
There we go. If you want to get in on the best, you got to call the best in the state. And, of course, you'll find it here at Wade's RV. Kayla, you got more info for us. Let's go.